Hello, welcome, good morning, good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos to help you fix your problem and to help you fix your confusion. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can create yourself an Amazon account. So basically, Amazon is the world's largest online store where you guys can buy different stuff. And basically, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can create its account. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Now let's jump into the video without any further ado. Alright, first step, you want to go to your search engine, whichever search engine you can use or you want to use. You can even go to your Google Chrome on your mobile and you just want to search for Amazon. Free search for Amazon. You want to click on where it says Amazon.com over here, or you can also click on your account, but doesn't matter. I'm just going to click on the first option over here and it's going to take you over here. Once you're in the official website of Amazon, click on where it says account and list. And over here, it says new customer, start here, click on start here. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the sign up page of Amazon. Over here, you can enter your name. After you enter your name, you can enter your email address, whichever email you want to use to create an Amazon account. After you enter your email, you need to create a password for your account. So after you create a password for your account, at the bottom, you need to enter the password again to confirm it. After you confirm the password, click on verify email and a verification code is going to be sent to your email. So you need to watch your email and enter the code which is sent to your email by Amazon. After you enter the code over here and click on create your Amazon account, if the code you entered over here is correct, your Amazon account should be created. It's as simple as that to create yourself an Amazon account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And for a mobile user, if you don't see this icon over here, what you can do is you can just straight up search for Amazon, ACCOUNT, You can search for Amazon account creation and click on Amazon registration. It'll straight up bring you to this page for all the mobile user, right? It'll make this process easier. But for PC user, you can just follow the step which I just did. So bye-bye everybody.